Morning guys! It's very early. 7:37 ng umaga. Pupuntahan actually namin si Neil at saka si Kat sa airport. Susunduin namin sila guys. Yung pasok ko 10 pa. Late yung pasok ko today. Late din yung tapos. Pero, yeah, sunduin namin sila and then go to work. So, wala, nangyari. Gamit ko yung flight tracker guys. Para i-track yung flight nila.
Has it landed?
Wait, let me turn on my... I turned off the mobile data for it. So, I'll just turn it back on, babe. So, yung pangalan ng app is Flight Aware. And it's a flight tracker. So, matatrack mo yung flight nila, guys. Oh, shoot! Delayed! It says 0, but delayed. I think the landing is delayed.
Okay.
Yeah. See, sabi guys, naka-yellow siya. Kita nyo ba? Naka-yellow tapos sabi delayed. Pero kanina, ano na yun? Yeah, that's why he hasn't texted you yet. Sabi kasi ni Dan, i-text mo ako pag naka-land na kayo, tapos saka sana kami aalis. Eh, umalis na kami. Ito talaga siya. Iba talaga siya. Kahit kagabi pa, tinrack ko siya, on time naman siya. Ngayon lang, sabi delayed. Siguro yung landing yung delayed. Siguro busy, babe, sa airport, babe. Yes. I'm wearing my coat from Boohoo. A very thin na jumper. Parang knitted siya, pero very thin na knitted. It's from Rose Gal, I think. And then I'm wearing a black tank top underneath. Kasi medyo see-through siya. Meron siyang mga holes. Parang siyang ginanchilyo na jumper. So yeah, and I'm just wearing my Forever 21 shoes. Black jeans. There you go, people.
Said, just landed. Want to reply? What do you want to say?
No worries. Let us know when you're...
What?
Your reply to Neil says, no worries, let us know when you're ready to send it?
No.
Okay, I won't send it just yet. Let me know when you're ready. Okay, go ahead.
No worries. Only 10 minutes away from the airport. Let us know when you're walking out.
It now says, no worries, only 10 minutes away from the airport. Let us know when you're walking out. Ready to send it?
Send.
I'll send it.
Guys, na-drop na namin sila and off to work we go. Timing na timing kasi 10 yung pasok ko. So, yeah, hindi ako malilate. Guys, katatapos ko lang sa work. Look at this guy. You look like a balut, babe.
I feel like a balut.
With your beanie. You look like a balut. I'm dropping this guy off to the footy. Wala namang laro yung Adelaide, Port Adelaide, pero he wants to watch the crows.
Lose.
He wants to watch them lose.
Crows lose.
Hindi, yung niya, yung best friend din niya pupunta, port supporter din kaya yun. Yung best friend niya si Christian. Christian's brother is here from Thailand. So, he's based in Thailand now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so, nandito siya guys. And nood sila ng footy. Yeah, so, pupunta siya para makita niya din yung kapatid na best friend niya. Kasi, when was the last time you saw him? How many years ago?
Long
time ago?
10, 15.
Really? Oh, yeah.
Longer, maybe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ihatid ko siya guys. And then, uwi ako mag-isa. And then, I'll pick you up as well.
Yes.
Yes. I'll just do the laundry maybe so I don't fall asleep.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Need to do it.
Guys, bahay na ako. Nakapag-skincare na din ako. So now, ito! Punong-puno. Umaapaw, guys. Hala, dinner. Bakit kapag ako lang mag-isa, lagi ko nakakalimutan kumain? Ito, binilihan pala ako ni Dan ng sushi. So, unahin na muna natin to, guys. Ilabas muna natin to. Tapos, we will do laundry. Sobrang plano-plano pa kami ni Dan kanina. Mag-aadobo sana kami ngayon. Eh, biglang tinawagan ata siya ng best friend niya. Sabi, manonood kami ng laro. Gusto mo ba sumama? Kasama ko yung kapatid ko. So, yeah. Message niya ako. Sabi niya, uy, sama ako, ha? And, of course, alangan naman pagbawalan mo. So, okay lang yan. Huwag natin pagbawalan yung asawa natin. Kasi kapag pinagbawalan mo, baka dun, magrebelde. Charot, magrebelde talaga. Binilhan niya ako ng sushi. Napadaan siya sa sushi napadaan siya sa sushi shop kanina. Tapos tinanong niya kung gusto ko ng sushi. Sabi ko, sige. Yeah. Tapos text siya ng text. Anong gusto mo? Send ng picture. Alam, may trabaho tayo. Hindi ako naka-reply. Sabi ko, sana yung mga kinuha mo gusto ko. And in fairness naman talaga sa kanya, he got me teriyaki chicken, tempura chicken and prawn. Yeah. So, meron tayong tatlo. Ang dami nito, guys. Nauubos ko, 2 lang. Wait. Isa lang muna natin yung laundry, no? Para it's going now while we're eating. Hi, guys. It's 9:58. Sabi ni Dan, alis daw ako mga 10. Guys, usap tayo. Ako lang mag-isa. Walang katao-tao sa road din. Walang katao-tao. Gabi na kasi. Ano ba yan? Takot naman ako ng slide. Straight lang ako dito. Straight. Tapos liko ng isa dun sa dulo. Okay na ako. Tapos may gym yun si Dan bukas. Sasamahan niya yung kapatid, asawa ng kambal niya. Magji-gym sila bukas. So, maaga dapat yung gumising para magpunta ng gym. Kasi I think punta sila 6:30.
Hello?
Where are you, babe?
Sorry, I have to get back on the time. What's wrong? Jack, shut up.
Okay. No, I'm close. I'm at Frome Road now.
Oh, we're still walking out of the stadium.
That's fine. I can just
See if you
wait.
can find a park somewhere and just park it.
Yep, okay. I'll just park.
Yeah, see if you can find a park like close where we drop me off.
Alright, yeah.
And we'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Alright. I'll call you when we're close.
Sure. See ya.
Alright. Lock the doors. Bye.
I will. Bye. Lasing yung isa. Bye, Raz. Hi, Raz.
Turn left onto Victoria Drive.
Dito na ako, guys. Si Dan wala pa. Sabi niya, lock mo yung pinto. Lock mo yung pinto. Harmless naman dito. Mga tao lang naman to nanonood ng galing nanonood ng laro. Ang ganda ng view ko, guys. Kita nyo ba ng maayos? Parang meron siyang parang river ata to. Yeah, pero ganda ng view, diba? Ano nyo? May mga tao dumadaan. Good morning, people! Ooh. Babe. It's Friday na, guys. Last day of the week. I work straight 5 days this week. Wala akong RDO this week. So, next week meron Friday. Ha! Long weekend for me! Ay! Nagmamadali kami kasi sida nagpunta ng gym. Char! Yeah! Yay! Went to the gym! Whoa! Do you have muscles now? Big muscles? Yes! Nagpunta siya ng gym kasama niya si Tristan. Yung asawa ng kambal niya. Yeah, and he'll do it again next Friday. Every Friday. Binasa ko yung buhok ko, tapos blow-dry ko siya. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay pa siya kasi kaka-blow dry lang. Maya-maya magpa-flat na naman to. I'm wearing my Adidas shirt. Tapos I have a leather jacket. And then I have a coat. Kasi ang lamig.
Thank God it's Friday. I'm looking forward to a relaxing weekend.
I know. Me too.
Yeah, chill.
Just chill. I need to clean. So maybe I'll do like some cleaning tonight. What's yes?
Cleaning would be good.
You, can you empty the vacuum, please?
I did.
You did already? When?
This week.
Okay, good.
I'm so full.
Yeah, our vacuum is really good.
Yeah, but you gotta empty it.
I'm not gonna empty it.
Why?
I'm cleaning, you empty it.
Whatever.
That's a deal.
I reckon I'm a better vacuum cleaner than you.
Oh, you're right.
I am.
I vacuum it way better than you. See, when I vacuum, you complain because there's heaps there. When you vacuum, there's just like nothing there. Just like not looking. It's just like, yeah, vacuum.
Yeah.
Every time I vacuum, you complain that the vacuum is clean. It's full. When you vacuum, you don't complain because there's nothing there. You pick up nothing. I'm gonna like maybe wipe tonight and vacuum tomorrow.
Dad's over tomorrow.
What?
Dad's over tomorrow.
Dad is over tomorrow. Daddy. He'll be watching this. Hi, Daddy.
We should get some Coke because he might just drink Scotch and Coke.
Do we have scotch?
We've got Scotch.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. So we need sitaw. Do you know what sitaw is? You know what sitaw is?
What's sitaw?
Sitaw. String beans.
Ah.
We need to get that for dinner. I'm gonna cook pinakbit for dinner tonight. And then, what? Coke. And what else do we need at home, babe? Oh, the tissue. The tissue, babe. We ran out of tissue. Guys, bahay na kami. Bihis lang ako, guys. Madalian. Kasi punta kami kina Lyra. Magdi-dinner kami biglaan. Anyway, na-receive ko yung package, guys. Galing sa Creamy Eye Candy. Tama ba yun? Creamy Eye Candy. Ano? Squishy. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Nag-order kami ng squishy para sa pamangkin ni Dan kasi birthday niya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan talaga yung birthday niya. Pero we will celebrate her birthday this coming Tuesday. And isa sa mga request niya, guys, is squishy. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. It is a big, it's an egg squishy, this one. Look. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. This is so good. This is massive. It's got a little tail. Napaka-squishy, guys. Oh my gosh, sobrang magugustuhan niya to. Kasi, last week, nagkita kami this Wednesday. But last week, may dala-dala siyang squishy, guys. And cake yung, oh my gosh, ang bango nito, babe. Cake yung squishy niya, yung isa. And sobrang pasira na yung squishy niya. Parang, basta pa, pasira na talaga. And isa sa mga request niya, sumulat pa talaga siya. Isa sa mga request niya is squishy. So, the next one is this. It's a, like uni whale. So, hindi siya unicorn. It's a whale. Uni whale. Tapos, meron siyang parang horn dyan. Yan. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. Parang gusto ko tuloy ng akin. Ang ganda nito pang ano. Yung paglalaruan ba kapag stress ka. Oh my gosh. Ang bango niya, guys. As in, bubblegum yung amoy niya. And then, meron pang dalawa. So, buti na lang yung Creamy Eye Candy. Ano siya, guys? Dito siya nakabase sa Australia. So, yung shipping niya, ano lang, 3 to 5 business days. And this was actually shipped on Tuesday. And it's now Friday. So, mabilis siya. Ito, ganyan. In addition na lang namin to kasi kapag umabot ng $50 free shipping. And then, ito free nila. Binigay nila ng free. Pero yeah, I think this was $20-something. And then, ito siguro mga $20-something din. And then, ito mura lang to. Siguro mga 6. So, umabot kami ng 50 para free shipping. Okay, bihis tayo, guys. Magwa-onesie party kami mamaya. So, magbibihis tayo ng onesie. Bukas ko na yan i-wrap yung present ni Maddie Girl. Guys, may OTD. OTN. Outfit of the night. Onesie from Zaful. This is a penguin, babe. Is it a penguin?
Yep.
Yeah? And then, shoes from Walmart. No, Kmart. Kmart, guys. Matagal na to sa akin last year. Bag. Bigay sa akin. Thank you. Atel. Wow. What's your outfit? Umalis. Wala siyang onesie. Wala. Alarm, alarm, alarm. Stop lang kami sa Shell, guys. Bili kami ng drinks. Meron na actually kaming drinks dito. Pero wala tong soft drinks. Ano lang to, beer at saka Moscato. So, dito tayo sa Shell. Lalabas talaga ako na nakaganito ako, babe. Hello.
G'day, mate.
Which one? Coke? Just Coke?
Just get Coke.
No sugar?
No sugar.
Let's get a big one then, $5.
Yeah, whatever.
Let's just get a really big one. Because the other one's $4.50, this is $5. Let's pay. Do you want me to use cash?
No, use the card.
Yes, somewhere. Where's our flowers? Yeah.
Lower, babe.
There we go. That's all right. $5. Do you need a bag or anything?
Nah, that's alright. Thank you.
Easy. Would you like a receipt?
Nah, that's alright. Thank you. Good night.
Thanks, mate.
Dito na kami, guys. Hello! Wala pa siyang onesie. Dadali ni Kat yung onesie niya. Mag-onesie na tayo. Yes! Lagay mo dito sa fridge, babe. Let's take the drinks.
Yeah,
Lagay namin sa fridge niyo, Lai, ha? Yes, Lai. Luto kami sinigang. Sinigang. Sinigang, dito. Okay lang yun, eh?
Have you been cooking all day or have you been cooking all day?
No, we just got enough today. Oh,
They've been out and about.
we're out waiting for the new flatmate. So, here.
We have spring roll, guys. Tapos ready na yung ating mga gulay. Nakahanap sila ng kangkong. Ay, kangkong ba yun, Day? Oo nga, kangkong. Dito na yung ating meat. Yummer! Sinigang! Tsaka pork, hindi yan pork belly. Yan yung spring roll. Lumpia. Salamat, mga. Ito yung I am kay I am Marisi. Thank you, thank you. Ito, hindi niya alam.
Kalimutan ko na niya. Sa papel, tapo ko yung papel. Joby ata yun. Basta nagtatrabaho siya sa bench fix salon sa Mega Mall.
Thank you, thank you. Yung pinagupitan ni Neil?
Oo, yun.
Tingnan siya. Onesie pa more. Thank you, salamat. Hindi niya alam, hindi niya naalala.
Joby something. Walang Joe. Johnny?
Thank you. Ito, at saka merong salamin. Salamat. Ha? Ay,
Thank you.
patay.
Sino yung isa?
Ay, Amaris G, yung lip tint pala yun.
Thank you.
My lights. I-on mo sa gilid.
Mirror pala yan.
Akala mo ano? Wala lang. Oy, ganda! Oh! Patay ka! Hindi niya lang nga lang malalasin, no? Thank you! Salamat!
Tingnan mo yung sala, guys. Ayan.
Onesie. Magbihis ka na.
Pagkatapos ko magluto.
Nandito na yung onesie niya. Mga lip tint, guys. Galing kay I am Maurice G. Yeah, lip tint? You want some? You want some, Baba? Kakainis ka. Pumunta ka ng Pilipinas. Nag-Jollibee ka.
Jollibee pa more. Jollibee everyday.
Inggit naman si Ninang sa'yo. Inggit si Ninang sa'yo. Nag-Jollibee ka, Baba. Ang ganda ng lighting dyan, Doy. Saan kayo dyan? You want some lip tint? Anong kulay yung gusto mo? Ang dami nito. Uy, hindi ko naman tumaano. Me? Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right away.
Alright, what are you gonna give?
Aww. How about Daddy?
How about Daddy?
Daddy? Nothing for Daddy?
Daddy?
so many wives, you doing something?
No, you can just put it.
Nah, just...
Just get some of your
Thank you, Ta. Oh, give it to Daddy.
Give it to Daddy?
How about Daddy?
Ang cute mo.
Try this one first.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Ang cute.
You're doing a lot better.
Thank you. Oh.
She will get another one.
Picture 5 of
Ang cute.
Dad would have loved it though, just like seeing her.
Yummer, sinigang.
Ang init ba? Siyang hirap pa yun.
Lalo na kapag nagluluto. Kain na. Kain na, Baba? Char. Char. Char.
Nasaan yung music natin?
Sayaw. Sayaw, Baba. Tugs, 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 tugs. Cute.
Dancer nga yun.
Oo. Mana sa mama. Nag-lip tint na ako, guys. Yung bigay ni Maris. Thank you. Hindi ko na maalala yung shade, pero yan, isa sa mga bigay niya. Thank you.
Let's dance.
Magmumuskato kami. It's Moscato Day. Moscato night. Cheers.
Ano yun? Budot!
Ginulat mo naman yung bata.
Gulat.
Bye!
Flying kiss ko ba?
Flying kiss!
Flying kiss. Yeah. Flying kiss.
Oh, pagod na siya. Bye lang. Bye na. Bye, Neil.
Bye-bye.
See ya!
I think she's getting confused now. She's tired.
She's really
Bye,
tired.
baby.
Aww. Bye, Lai.
Goodbye, President Race.
Bye. Bye. Prisoner daw ako. Kanina pa si Tony.
The baby wagon's
Hi, thank you,
here
Neil.
for you.
Alright, let's go.
Guys, umaga na.
Oo nga, umaga na. Si Dan nandun sa likod. Pagod na din si Dan. Onesie pa more.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Day.
Well, we might see you Sunday if it's I don't know, whatever.
Something happening Sunday?
Thank you. Huh? I don't know.
See you later.
Maybe we'll
Nice sunny
see
night.
each other again. I know, the view here is really nice.
Then, kiss
Oo nga.
Sunday.
See ya, watch your step, babe. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Medyo kanina-kanina pa. Mag-edit lang ako ng isang video kasi wala akong video para bukas. Mag-edit sana ako ng maraming video today. Pero nagpunta kami kina Lyra. Hindi kasi yun inaasahan, biglaan lang yun. Si Dan, tingin-tingin ng mga air fryer. Gusto niya bumili ng air fryer. Nagustuhan niya yung na kay Lyra. Babe, I'll turn the lights off. Can you turn on your lamp? Thank you very much. Yeah. Please like the video kung na-enjoy niyo yung video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Good morning na pala.